A very good morning, class ninth. So, here we are going to discuss today our last animal tissue, that is the nervous tissue. So, this is our last lecture from the tissues chapter. Let's talk about the nervous tissue. As you know, that tissue is made up of cells. So same nervous tissue is also made up of some kind of cells. So those cells of nervous tissue, they are known as nerve cells, or you know them as a name of, that is, neurons. So the cells which makes your nervous tissue, those cells which make your nervous tissue, they are known as neurons. Many neurons, they are bounded by connective tissue to make a nerve. Basically, they are connected together with the help of the connective tissue. As we have already discussed, the connective tissue, they help in connection between the two cells or the organs, right? So same here is the many nerve cells, they are here to hold together, bounded by the connective tissue. Just say the function of nervous tissue. It is very specialized in its function, very special in its function, that helps in transmitting the signals or the stimuli from one place to another in the body. Suppose it is like you touch an hot object, right? Suppose this is very hot object and by mistake you are touching it. You touch an hot object, then suddenly this now hot touching an hot object, it is a stimulus for your body. It is a kind of stimulus ki now you have to now you have to move your hand back. आपको अपना हाथ दूर हटाना है, right? So that now signal, this hot stimulus or signal is sent to your brain. Brain quickly takes an action and it sends the information to your motor areas. And what is the motor area here? Hand. It sends the signal to hand that okay, now it is the time, just quickly remove your hand away from the your hot object. So as you can see, stimulus is transmitting from brain to the hand and from your hand to the brain. So there is a transmission, there is the sending of signal or stimulus from one place to another in the body with the help of nervous tissue. So basically all other, this is just one example, it controls all activities of your body, your thinking, your balancing, right, your remembering, that किसी भी चीज़ को आप जब याद रखते हो, all these various things, they are controlled by your nervous tissue. Where it is present in brain. If this is the brain area, so this is present in your brain. Then joining with the brain, there is the projection, that is your spinal cord, as well as the nerves. Now you can see how the signal travels so fast, because your whole body, it is covered with the nerves. So where is the nervous tissue present? Brain, spinal cord, and it is present in the nerves. Why I am calling it as a peripheral nerves? Because these are present in your other areas. The peripheral means जो surrounding, basically surrounding के लिए हम use करते हैं peripheral word. So all throughout your body there is the nerves. Now the structure just look like it's like branching, and it's like a tree. So its structure exactly, it is like a tree and branching come out from the it. As you can see, this is the main part, this is our nucleus, and there is the cytoplasm, right? So nucleus plus cytoplasm, that makes your cell body. Nucleus plus cytoplasm. Now from this cell body, there are the projections, like the branches coming out from the cell body, and these branches are known as dendrites. These branches are known as dendrites, and these dendrites are the ones which receive the signal, and they pass to the cell body, and through the cell body then it pass to the elongated a very long area of the cell, and this long area of the cell is known as axon. Axon is covered by a covering. As you can see, this pink covering, this is called myelin sheath. And then at the end, axon खत्म कहाँ पे होता है? Axon end at these axon end in a structure, and this structure is known as axon endings, or we call it as a nerve endings, right? और these are called axon terminals. टर्मिनल वर्ड हम यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पे कोई चीज़ ख़त्म हो जाती है. These यहाँ से इनका नेक्स्ट न्यूरॉन के साथ कनेक्शन शुरू हो जाता है. सो दिस इज़ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वन न्यूरॉन ओनली. सो मिलियंस ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स लाइक दिस दे आर प्रेजेंट इन आवर brain. You don't need to draw this structure. I'm giving you another structure to draw. A neuron has three parts. It has three parts. Cytone, that is cell body. Cytone is known as the cell body. Then it has a long part, single long part, which is called axon. Then short branched part of neuron is called dendrites. These are the first three main parts. A star shaped body, which is called, as you can see, this is our cell body of the neuron, which is having nucleus plus cytoplasm. A single long part, this single long part, and this is called your axon, right? And the now axon क्या करता है? फर्स्ट मैसेज आता है डेंड्राइट्स पे, डेंड्राइट से ट्रेवल होता है सेल बॉडी, एंड देन दे आर ट्रेवल टू द एक्सॉन. सो एक्सॉन कैरी द मैसेज अवे फ्रॉम द साइटोन. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज योर साइटोन. सो यहाँ से दूर लेके जाने का काम कौन कर रहा है? एक्सॉन. शॉर्ट ब्रांच्ड पार्ट with which are called dendrites. These, the branched parts, they are called your dendrites. And dendrites are the structures which receive the signals and pass them to cytone. They receive the signal and pass them to the cell body or cytone. So three structure, mainly cytone, axon and dendrites. These branch like structure, they are known as dendrite. Then this is our cell body, which is made up of your nucleus plus cytoplasm. Nucleus plus cytoplasm makes your cell body. Then there is a long structure, and this long structure, it is known as axon. Then this axons, they are covered with the myelin sheath covering. These axons, they are covered with the cover that is known as myelin sheath. And then those cells which make this myelin sheath, those cells which make these myelin sheath, they are known as Schwann cell, right? And now as you can see, this myelin sheath, I have not made it continuous. So where there is a gap, and that is called node of Ranvier, right? So these additional points we have to write down also. Myelin sheath, Schwann cells, node of Ranvier. Myelin sheath क्या है? It is a cover around the nerves or your axon part of the neuron, or you can simply write down that it is a cover around the axon part of neuron. It is made up of proteins and fatty acid. What is its function? It carry the electrical impulses and transmit the signal along the nerve cells very quickly. What is the purpose of this cover? That जो signal receive करता है dendrites, they are going to receive signal. So these sheath, this cover, it transmit that signal very quickly and very efficiently. Schwann cells, these Schwann cells, these are the cells which produce myelin sheath, which cover the neuronal axons. Neuronal axons means those neurons which are present in your brain, neuronal axons. So node of Ranvier. Node of Ranvier, I already told you, the gap between the myelin sheath is known as that is known as node of Ranvier. So what are the parts of a neuron? Cytone, axon, dendrites. Then you have to mark the myelin sheath, Schwann cell, and node of Ranvier. This is your 5 marks question, right? With you have to write down each and every part, as well as you have to mention about their detail. So this is, as you can see, this is the myelin sheath and these are the Schwann cells, but you don't need to draw this diagram. Only this diagram is sufficient for you to draw in your exams. Now, the question which can be asked to you, name the tissue that transmits the stimulus in the body, or you can say that transmit signals in the body. That is your nervous tissue. State the function of nerve cells, where we find them. Function of nerve cells, or we can ask you the function of neurons. They are the structural and functional unit of your nervous tissue. And where we find them? We find them in brain, spinal cord, and all the nerves. Explain the structure of your neuron with the help of Debye diagram. Already I described it. Differentiate between axon and cytone. Cytone is your nucleus plus cytoplasm, and axon is what? Axon is your long structure which carry the electrical impulses away from the cytone. This is all about our chapter tissues. So here we are finished with our chapter. In the next, I am going to meet you with another chapter. Till then, take care. Have a